Let me tell you something right now. If your mornings are sloppy, your life will be sloppy, period. That snooze button you keep hitting, that's your first L of the day. You want to change your life, you better learn how to declare war before sunrise. We live in a world where negativity runs laps around our minds before we even roll out of bed. Anxiety, self-doubt, fear, you feel stuck, lost, heavy. But I was there too, and I built a war machine of a morning routine that crushed those voices, turned them into fuel. This video is going to walk you through what I did step by step to take control, to own my mornings, my mind, and my mission. And you ain't got time to wait. Your transformation starts today. Let's get into it. Ain't no comfort in growth. That alarm goes off at 4 a.m. That's a siren call to war. While the world sleeps, you rise. Not scrolling, not whining, rising like a damn warrior. You know what happens when you beat the sun? You beat excuses. You beat procrastination. You build discipline in the dark before anybody sees you. I didn't start at 4 a.m. because I liked it. I started because it hurt. And pain is the forge of greatness. No snooze, no softness. You get up, you stand tall, and you say, let's go to war. Right out of bed, I slam into my mental reps like I'm pressing full court in the NBA Finals. That mental chatter, you silence it with intention. Every thought gets checked. I ain't good enough, delete. I can't do this, terminate. You replace it with, I'm built for this. I was born to overcome. You put pressure on your mind before the world does. It's like affirmations. Nah, these ain't soft. These are declarations. You program your brain with truth so the lies don't stand a chance. After I set my mind, it's time to punish the body. Calisthenics, pull-ups, sprints, push-ups till your chest begs for mercy. This ain't fitness. This is a discipline exorcism. Your body is your weapon. Sharpen it. Every drop of sweat is a demon leaving your system. You want to kill negative thoughts? You drown them in discipline and pain. When I'm gasping for breath, when my muscles are screaming, that's when my mind gets quiet. That's where freedom lives. Now we write pen in hand, raw honesty. I spill it all, the fear, the doubt, the shame, and the wins. The little victories count too. This journal, it's not for Instagram, it's for war, a battlefield record. When I reread old pages, I see growth. I see who I was and who I refuse to stay. If you ain't documenting your journey, you're losing track of your fight. Write like your soul depends on it, because it does. Close your eyes, now see it. The future you, the beast, the version that don't flinch. I don't daydream, I mission plan. Visualization ain't some new age fluff. This is a mental briefing. I see myself breaking limits, delivering speeches, grinding in the silence, bleeding for the goal. And guess what? The mind don't know the difference between what's visualized and what's real. If you don't create your future first thing in the morning, the world will give you one by default, and it won't be the one you want. You ever take time to appreciate the pain? Yeah, I said it. I'm grateful for the struggle, the haters, the nights I cried in silence. Gratitude ain't just about what's good. It's about recognizing what built you. Every scar on my mind, I thank it because it taught me something the easy days never could. My gratitude practice, it ain't soft. It's strategic. Start your day not just thankful for breath, but thankful for the battle. What you put in your body in the morning determines how long you last in the trenches. No junk, no sugar crashes. We're warriors, not toddlers. Protein, greens, hydration. And I bless my meals with intention. I remind myself, this is fuel, not comfort, not distraction. Fuel. You eat to perform, not to please your cravings. You want clarity? Start with discipline on your plate. No phone first hour, period. Social media, that's noise, notifications, that's the world trying to hijack your peace. You want to win your mind? You got to own your time. Every morning I go dark, I go silent, I own me. If you're scrolling before you're growing, you already lost the day. Detox your brain before you check the game. Negative thoughts, they ride in on shallow breath. You got to learn to breathe like a sniper, calm, deep, controlled, box breathing, 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold. You do that for 5 minutes and watch your thoughts slow down like a quiet battlefield. Your breath is your anchor. Master it, because in the chaos of life, the man who breathes slow wins. No goal, no glory. Every morning I enter the war room, whiteboard, notebook, strategy. Top 3 missions of the day. Crystal clear. I don't hope for success. I schedule it. Each goal is a target. Each target gets locked in. You wake up with no aim. You die with no legacy. Build your damn blueprint. I read every morning, not fluff, not gossip, war texts, stoicism, discipline, mindset, grit. You feed your mind like a soldier reads battlefield maps. Knowledge is armor. Every page is another round in your chamber. Books taught me to fight back. If you don't read, you're unarmed in a war of thought. Music, not just background noise, it's my battle hymn. Find that track that hits your soul and rise with it. I play songs that remind me I'm a savage, that I'm still here, still pushing. You got your purpose before you walk into the fire. That soundtrack, it's spiritual armor. Final step, check in. Mind, body, spirit, you ask. Am I aligned? Am I ready? Then you deploy. You don't just leave the house. You go into battle on the boardroom, the gym, the streets. You go in with armor on and mission locked. Every day you get up and go to war against your past, against your doubt, against the easy path. That's the blueprint. That's the system. You follow this routine. You ain't just going to survive your mornings. You're going to own them. Remember, every morning you win, your life compounds in victory. You want to stay weak? Snooze away. You want to grow? Deploy this now. Subscribe if you're done making excuses and ready to transform your life into a daily mission of purpose, fire, and freedom. Drop a comment. What's your current morning habit? What's holding you back? Let's get real. And listen, the next video, titled Discover the Power of Morning Routines, is not just a follow-up. It's a damn mindset shift. You're going to learn unshakable principles of self-mastery, brutal Goggins style motivation, and how to dominate your day before it even starts. Don't miss it. Don't delay. Click it. Watch it. Live it. Let's get after it. Stay hard.